Hello everyone, in today's video I am going to show you step by step how to fix WhatsApp voice message not sent problem. First of all, here you have to type a message and send it to anyone. Now here you can see that this message is not being sent. To fix this, first of all you have to check the network of your mobile phone whether you have internet connection or not. If your internet connection is fine but still your WhatsApp messages are not being sent. To fix this, you have to go to the home screen of your mobile phone. Now here you have to click on WhatsApp for 3 seconds and here click on the app info. After clicking on app info, now here you have to click on storage and cache. Now click on clear caches in the right bottom. Now if you send a message to anyone, your message will be sent. So here you can see our problem has been solved. In this way you can solve the problem of sending messages.